Have you or anybody you know ever been diving? Then you need to know this. The noise we create in the oceans can adversely impact the health and hearing of divers. Watch this video to find out how. The sound of the ocean never fails to bring out a sense of calm. Little do we know, hidden beneath the sounds is an all-pervading ambient noise, slowly peeling away the charm of the majestic marine biodiversity, causing disturbances in the undersea world. Where is this noise coming from, you ask? Humans. We disturb our oceans with several activities ranging from construction, drilling, maintenance work of underwater structures, explosions, use of sonars, movement of vessels, sound signals, the list is endless. All these sources of noise have their individual sound pressure levels, directionalities and frequencies at which they peak.
As a result, each type of noise has a different impact on the auditory perception of divers. In addition to this, the type of headgear worn by the diver also causes a variation in the sensitivity of the ears to noise. The biohazards of underwater noise exposure range from annoyance, dizziness and disorientation to temporary or permanent hearing loss. In scenarios of severe exposure, divers are also at a risk of mechanical injuries to several parts of the ears. In theory, some of these effects seem harmless. However, they may cause panic or anxiety in divers, hampering their ability to handle such occurrences.
Maritime Research Center, with a mission to enhance underwater domain awareness framework, is championing to reduce acoustic degradation in the Indian Ocean region. MRC is working on a strategy to manage diving operations with a reduced risk of auditory biohazards.
There's a lot of study that has happened for the impact on marine mammals, but unfortunately the noise impact on humans has not been undertaken to that extent. So MRC undertook a project where we want to analyze the various noise sources and its impact on the human diver. And we have analyzed the impact on multiple human systems or the human organs, right from auditory to the nervous system and the various other organs of the body. And this is a very comprehensive study where we have tried to address policy to the actual technology which can allow us to monitor the various noise levels, and also study the impact on the human body and basically do a mapping in terms of the threshold and what the impact would be.
The fleeting noise we leave in the oceans can have permanent impact on the entire ecosystem. Join our cause. Share this video to help this message reach as many as possible. Let's rise up to ensure the health of our oceans and our divers.